We are looking at order by. Now, before we look at order by, what is order by? This order by clause lets us sort our result in ascending or descending order. It lets you sort your result in ascending or descending order based on one or more columns. So it's flexible and works well with both text and numbers. So today we'll explore a few common examples, and we are going to use our Sakila and World database that we have been using from the beginning. We are going to use our Sakila and World database to show how useful it can be. So let's look at our first example. Let's say we want to order alphabetically. Let's say, for example, let's use our Sakila database. I'm going to use Sakila. If you have watched the previous videos, you are not new to use. We are using Sakila to activate this our Sakila database here. Then we are going to select title from theme. We are going to select title from theme. Let's run this command and see. You could see our title from the theme column. This is all our title from the theme column in our Sakila database. But if you notice, it's starting from A, B, C, D. So by default, your database is normally in ascending order by default. By default, it is normally in ascending order. So let's apply order by and see. We have order by title ascending. That's the command for ascending. So if I run these two commands now, you'll notice it's still the same. It's still giving me from A, B, C down to the end. That is because by default, your movie titles are going to be sorted in ascending order from A to Z without even you applying this order by title by ascending order. That is how it is by default. It's still going to remain the same way. But now we want it in a reverse order. So we are going to reverse it, and this time we want to sort the movie titles from Z to A. So to reverse it, we are using descending instead of ascending. So to use descending, we are going to change the command to DESC. This is the command. So now watch what is here. This is A, B, C. We said by default is in ascending order. So we are going to apply this descending order we just brought and select the title again. Have you noticed? We have just reversed it now, and it's starting from Z, Z, Y, Y, W, W. So it is now in descending order. So this is the difference between ascending and descending order while you are using order by, because the order by is used to sort in ascending and descending order. Now, having looked at ascending and descending order using text, let's look at our World database. Use World to activate our World database. Make sure it's the same spelling with what the database was created. Use World. You could see that our World database is now activated. Now, what do we want to do in this example? We are going to be able to order our population in ascending order, and our population here is in numeric version. I mean, it's a numeric data, that is numbers. So let's try and sort it in descending order. So select name. Now you can select multiple column. If you have watched the previous video, select name and population. Select name, population from city. Let's run this command and see. So from the city table, which we have, if you remember our city table, I've just selected just two columns, name and population. Now I want to sort it in ascending order. Now this is Kabul and then the rest. So I'm trying to sort it in ascending order. Now let's see what is going to give us after we sort it. Don't forget that here is Kabul and the rest. So when we apply our order by population, so we're using it on a numeric data now. This is, don't forget, these are population. I'm not ordering the name, I'm ordering just population and not name. I want everything to be ordered according to this population. So this population will be ordered and then the name will follow accordingly. So let's select, and then did you see that? This is ascending order. So it's starting right from 42, which is the list. Ascending means start from the list. So after applying this, let's do it again. Let me just run select name and population. Did you see? This is the number it first gave me, the second, the third. But now if I apply order population by ascending order, it's going to sort it from the list. This is 42, 167, 300. You could see. So ordering the city by their population size in ascending order. So some smallest city will apply first, and then which is 42 to the biggest. That is where our ascending works using order by clause. Now let's see if we want to try multiple columns. Let's see if we want to try multiple columns. Multiple columns. So for multiple columns, we are going to use Sakila. Let's go back to our Sakila table, and then in our Sakila, let's try to select first name, last name from our actor table. You remember our actor table in Sakila here, so let's run it. So I just have first name and last name from the actor table in our Sakila database. So let's try and run let's order by last name and then first name. We're going to order by last name, first name. So if you notice, even without this semicolon, it's actually going to run. But the semicolon is important to show you the end of your query per time. Makes your work neater. So I've just ended what I want to command this database to do. I want it to select first name, last name from actor, but it will have to order by the last name first before the first name. It will order the last name before the first name. So the last name will actually be the primary order, the name of the last person. Then before the first name will be the secondary order. So let's run it and see. Did you see? everything here is in ascending order. Have you noticed? Just because of this command, everything here will be in ascending order. So everything will be done in ascending order, but with the use of last name and not first name. So if it was first name here, it will be from A, but I'm commanding it to start from last name. That's why you see A here. So that is for multiple columns. So thank you very much for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, comment, and let me know where you have any challenges. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow in the next video.